Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'll start by apologizing, guys, for no uploads the last couple days. I'm not too sure what's happening, but we've been having some problems with the camera equipment. So we actually did the other day the engine swap on this. So I took that engine out. This is the one that was seized, and we put in the one that we got from Montreal. We got it in, fired it up, it runs all good. We just need to button it up with a couple small things, throw the hood on it, get a tune on it, but for some reason we lost all the footage there. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the exhaust on the ZR1, the old ZR1. Exhaust is kind of worn, and then back here, all right. So it's not looking too great, but conveniently enough, I bought a Corsa Sport for it. I have the Corsa Extreme on the Mustang. I've always been a big fan of Corsa, so yeah, we'll throw this exhaust on. It shouldn't take long. It's not more than just a few bolts. A couple bolts here, same thing down here, and then the flanges. Everything else just hangs, so shouldn't take me long to put it on. But I'll give you a before and after sound clip, just kind of show you the difference. We're gonna throw it on.